So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about how to install and use Antigravity CLI from the Google. Okay, so you can see this is the website from where we can install the Antigravity CLI. So this is a new tool from the Google itself. So here you can see. So first of all, what we will do, this is our page for the Google Antigravity. So you can see we are using Debian, which is a Linux distro. So we will use this command to install the Antigravity. If you are using Windows and Windows CMD, you can use this, right? And also there is an software development kit for the Antigravity. So you can use it, right? Also the Antigravity ID is there, right? So let's see that how to install the Antigravity CLI using this. Okay, so we'll copy this and paste here. So this is how it will start installing the Antigravity CLI. So we will wait for it and let's see what it will brought to us, right? So this is a very simple steps, right, for installing this Antigravity CLI, right? So you can see at the end it's suggested us that Antigravity CLI installed successfully at you can see, right, and run AGY. Okay, so when we use AGY it will get us inside this anti-gravity console. So you can move the arrow. Okay, so we will use OAuth, right? So here you will see this link. Just copy this link and paste it on the website on the Chrome, and it will ask us that which Google account you have to sign in with anti-gravity. So we will use our own account, right? So here we are inside this Google Antigravity, right? So just copy this authentication and paste it here, right? Authorization code. After pasting it, you will sign in inside the Antigravity tool, right? Terminal, right? And then we will say done, and I will say I will trust. I'm trusting this, right? So you can see, right? So this is our Antigravity. And if you see here, so this is all page up, shift down, and all these things, right? So we are back to it, and you can see we are using Gemini 3.5 flash, right? So what is current directory? So it will provide as the current directory, right? Yes. So actually every time you ask it for executing a code, it will ask prompt for the permission, right? So you can see we are inside the current home. List out directories in current directory. Okay. Hmm. So you can see here. So these are our current directories. Okay. So we want to get what we want to find what is inside the download folders, right? List out files from. Okay. Hmm. Okay, you can see these are the directories. Tell me about. Okay. So it will web search about this, right? So you can see this is how this will work. So it will become an agentic AI for your console. Okay, so this is the summary of finding from it, right? So the file Linux in your downloads directory is the base installation media for Oracle Database 19c. You can see, right? Enterprise edition and standard edition too for 64-bit Linux platform. So it is sharing with us that this zip file is belongs to the Oracle Database 19c home, right? Based on the files present in your download directory, here is how this zip file is positioned and used in your environment. What is this file? This file is Oracle Database 19c long-term release support through 2027, right? Beyond. Base version 19.3, the base release. Platform Linux, and the size is almost 3 GB. You can see. And then uh, how is being used in your workspace, and it is also showing us that what are the uses of this zip file. So according to the Docker file present next to it, right, you are building a custom Docker image using Oracle Linux 9, right? So it also scan the Docker file, right, to run a Oracle database 19c. So you can see, guys, it's not only uh, sharing the information about the Oracle 19c database z file, but also it is providing us that the Docker file which is present along with the Linux zip file. Okay, Oracle DB 19c zip file. So it scanned the Docker file and telling us that you are trying to, that means I am trying to install Oracle DB inside the Docker file, right? So also the next steps, it's showing us the steps we can use. Okay, directory environment setup, right? These are the environment setups and all this extraction and all that, right? So this is, and also the run installer side. So this is the way, guys, we can uh, get the idea about how to use this, right? Go inside. Okay, downloads. So guys, you can see I have shifted my working context into directory, right? List out files in current directory. We will check out that really it switch to download files, right? So you can see it exactly switches, right? So guys, I will show you something that let me ask it to unzip, right? Unzip this file, right? So let's see whether it will work on it or not, right? So you can see, guys, it is asking for permission, right? Yes, and it is unzipping the file. That's a great thing. I can see it is working. So okay, notify us, and you can see, guys, this is the way agentic AI can work. So it is showing us that I have started unzipping the zip file in the background, and this agentic CLI will notify us once the unzipping is completed. So this is how we can use this, right? So it is a fantastic tool we can use and get the benefit from. Let's see when it will complete it, right? So we have to wait for some time, and let's see how it works. Okay, so I think so it has been completed, right? Okay, so um, notify you as soon as finished, right? The file has been successfully unzipped and download, right? It extracted its content into a new directory OPatch, and it's after the unzipping, it is showing us the output that after executing the command, what is the extract folder name, right? So it's shown us that OPatch is the extracted folder, and you can now find all the OPatch utility files like OPatch data patch inside. So not only it executed the command, uh, it also shown us that after the execution of the command, what is the directory and what are the contents inside the directory. So this is how it will work. So again we will list out okay, list out directory, list out directories in current directory. Okay, so guys, if someone comes up with the least amount of okay idea and experience with the Linux machine, it can use it, right? There's no problem in that. So now I will ask it delete opatch directory. Okay, now we want to delete this opatch directory. Okay, so it asks for the permission, we have given the permission. Now let's see. Right, so you can see guys, the opatch directory has been successfully deleted from this folder, right? So this is how guys we can use this, right? Now list out directories in current directory, right? Let's see. So you can see guys that the directory has been deleted from this, right? Show me the mount point which having huge space. Okay, okay, so guys it has converted my yeah, my language into codes, right? So you can see SDA1 for the TAM 5 GB, and you can see it is that. So currently slash, that means root mount point directory is having 144 GB. Download is our hard drive, right? So this is how guys it can be used. We can take anything from it actually. Okay, host name. So it will again execute this. Okay, so Debian, right? Who is the current user? Hmm? So I am actually executing a normal commands here to get an idea what it can do. Okay, so it is potential thing which can be act on the CLI. So basically in CLI we, on the terminal of Linux, it is very hard if you execute some commands like rm-rf mistakenly, and that can delete the entire directory. Okay, so it is better to use the CLIs like tools to automate your manual stuffs. Okay, so you will have lot of time for your advanced stuffs and the task which you like to do. Okay, like news tasks, and so you can take the benefit from it. Now first of all, list out all users. Okay, let's see what are the users in our systems. Hmm. So guys, you can see it has list out all the users, right? Username Ollama, VBox, SSD, Debian, GDP, nobody. So these are the users, right, present in our Linux machine. So you can see guys, it can do anything. can I install my Oracle DB? Okay, let me ask it. Okay, list out Ollama models. Okay, let's see whether it will connect with the Ollama and get the idea of Ollama list, right? So guys, you can see it list out the Coin 2.5 coder, right? So it is fantastic tool actually. It is extremely fantastic tool. So actually Google is it's really near to the CLI code, right? So you can see guys, as compared to Ollama, Queen, and what we call as OSH and all the other tools which we had experience in the past videos, this Google CLI, Antigravity CLI is much better, and it is not error prone actually. So whatever I'm asking it, it is uh, perfectly doing it as it is. Like we don't have any error. We and the basic thing actually, we don't have to debug the errors here. It is freshly doing what we are asking it for. So this is the benefit of using the anti-gravity CLI from the Google. So you can definitely see what is the difference between this and Ollama and other tools, right? So it is perfectly working. So for this video, this is enough of on. If you are curious about what it can do, let me know. I will create a next video for you. So for now guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video and please subscribe and like this video.